everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. In this video, let me teach you on how to find your OKX wallet address. Let's start this tutorial by opening OKX wallet on your device and log into your crypto account. You're in the main tab of the app now. Tap on Assets on the lower right corner. Make sure that your account is verified. In the Assets section, tap Deposit and select Deposit Crypto in the pop-up. Now choose what crypto that you want to copy the wallet address. For example, let's select USDT. Next, select the network. For now, let's select Ethereum. After that, it will show the wallet address for the USDT. Simply tap the copy button to copy the address to your clipboard or screenshot it to save the QR of the address. You can do this to the crypto that you want to find the wallet address here in OKX app. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.